Ride on the fly every 10 minutes with the Downtown Flyer. The Downtown Flyer is a free shuttle connecting area parking, businesses, dining, and entertainment in downtown Dayton. From Riverscape to the University of Dayton campus, there are more than a dozen stops meant to connect you to your destination. Each stop sports one of these flyer signs to help you find your way. For a complete list of destinations, check out the flyer online at iRideRTA.org/theflyer. Just wait at one of these stops and the flyer will pick you up every 10 minutes or less. You can track your bus by downloading the Transit app free from Google Play or the App Store. Find the flyer logo to see when your next bus is due. If you plan to use the flyer regularly, save it to your favorites by pushing the star icon in Transit. Tap the Go icon in Transit to open up your personal transit companion. Using voice and push notifications, Go informs you when to leave for your stop, when to get off, or whether you'll reach your destination in time. You can also download the free Move It app to track the shuttle. Find out more at iRideRTA.org/theflyer. Prefer texting or don't have a smartphone? Track the flyer by texting the stop ID located on the bottom of the sign. Just text RTA space, then the number to 41411 to find out when the bus will be at your stop. When you see your bus is coming, make sure you're standing in front of your stop sign. And feel free to give the driver a wave to let them know you're ready to board. When the doors open, hop on board, find a seat, and enjoy the ride. When your stop is approaching, use the pull cord by the window to let the driver know you need to get off, as the flyer will not stop at every stop. It's that simple. Service starts at 6 a.m. Monday through Friday and runs until 11 p.m. and on Saturdays from 4 p.m. until 12 a.m. You're ready to enjoy everything downtown Dayton has to offer using the fast and frequent flyer service. To find out more about the flyer and upcoming events and promotions, visit iRideRTA.org/theflyer. RTA, it's time to ride.